Hello guys, in this video I am going to be reviewing an expert advisor called XAU Master EA, and this one is for MT5, specifically designed for trading gold. All right, and quickly before we get into it, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So in this video, I'm going to be walking you through the MQL5 marketplace page. We go over the key features of this robot, and then we're going to jump into a back test to see how the EA actually behaves, and finally we go through the results together. So right now I'm on the MQL5 marketplace, and XAU Master EA is currently priced at 149 US dollars with rental options available for a month, right? A month is going for 49 US dollars. Okay. Now from the description, we can see that this is a multi-system expert advisor. Okay, and that's probably the most important thing to understand here, right? It combines 13 different trading systems, all running simultaneously, each with its own logic and parameters. All right, so instead of relying on just one strategy, it's essentially trying to capture different types of market behavior using a portfolio style approach. Okay, and now let's just look at the specifics of the strategies that this expert advisor uses. So as we can see, the EA employs a diversified portfolio approach using multiple strategies, including mean reversion, momentum, trend following, and breakout logic. All right, so straight away you can tell that this EA is designed to adapt across different market conditions rather than depend on a single type of setup. Now, in terms of features, there's quite a lot going on here. First, each system operates independently. All right, you can see there is an independent operation with its own parameters. All right, so which means that trades can be coming from different strategies at the same time. In terms of risk management, this is actually one of the stronger aspects of the EA. It includes daily drawdown limits, where trading stops if a certain loss threshold is reached. And then we also have the overall drawdown protection, which can completely halt trading if a maximum loss is hit. And these are modeled around prop firm style rules, which is interesting, right? Now, there are also options for fixed lot size or percentage based risk. We can see that down here under the configuration and inputs, right? For the risk management, you can actually choose between a fixed lot size or percentage based risk per trade. Alternatively, risk levels which have everything pre-configured. All right, so there are predefined risk levels and dynamic stop options, stop loss options like the ATR based or swing based stops. Another important point is that while every trade has a protective stop loss, the system does not rely heavily on fixed take profit levels. Okay, so we can see that there are some prop firm features, including randomization, trade delays, SLTP variation, right, and entry skip windows to avoid being denied from a funded account. Okay, so this EA focuses more on letting trades run with optional trailing stop features available if needed. So there are also additional features like the time and execution controls, optional trade randomization, for the prop firm on environment, of course, and an info panel for monitoring performance. So overall, this is a complex, highly configurable EA with a strong focus on diversification and risk control. So from the description, we have an understanding of how this EA is structured, but the real insight comes from seeing how these multiple systems actually behave together in real time. So let's just jump into the strategy tester and break it down. Okay. So we are testing the XAU Master EA. All right. We are going to be testing it on the XAUUSD symbol, of course, because that is the symbol that the EA is designed for. We're going to be testing it from the beginning of this year, January 1st, 2026, till date. All right. And then for our delays, we're just going to use the last ping to our server for accuracy, right? Now we test. So we are in the strategy tester, and right away, one thing stands out, right? There are multiple trades being opened at different times, sometimes even overlapping, right? And that makes sense because we are dealing with multiple strategies running simultaneously. Now, looking at the entries more closely, you can see that some trades are reacting to short-term movements, likely coming from mean reversion or momentum-based systems, right? While others are holding longer, which suggests trend following or breakout based logic. So this confirms that the EA is not relying on a single entry style. It's combining different approaches. Now, in terms of filters, you can see that the trades are not completely random. Well, it might not be very obvious about the random nature of the trades, but because we are already aware that the EA has filters, so at least you will know that there is still structure in when the trades occur. So there are likely internal conditions related to market volatility, price structure, and possibly session timing. Okay. So concerning our exits, you will notice that instead of closing trades quickly with fixed targets, many positions are allowed to run longer. If you look at the number of positions that have been executed so far, you will see that a good number of them are allowed to run longer, even though the stop loss levels are being set. So that aligns with the idea that some of these systems are designed for swing style trading, aiming to capture larger moves. There is still a protective stop loss, of course, as you can even see here, right? You can see there's always a protective stop loss on every trade, which is important for risk control. And depending on settings, you can also enable trailing stops to lock in profits. All right. So the trailing stop feature is very important. So you can lock in profits as price goes in your direction. Okay. Now, in terms of market conditions, because this EA combines multiple strategies, it's actually designed to adapt across different environments, right? So, in trending markets, the trend following and breakout systems can take advantage of sustained moves. In ranging markets, the mean reversion systems may end, or rather may step in to capture smaller price swings. Now, that is the advantage of a multi-strategy approach, right? It provides diversification within a single EA. However, there is a trade-off, right? With so many systems running at once, you can sometimes get overlapping trades, increased exposure, and more complexity in how performance behaves, right? And in very choppy or unpredictable markets, even diversified systems can struggle because conditions and not ideal for any single strategy. So overall, this EA is built to be flexible, but it still depends on the market offering enough structure for its strategies to work effectively. All right. So I'm just going to be skipping to the end of the backtest so that we can analyze the results of this particular backtest, over the space of 3 months and 3 weeks, right? Because we started the backtesting from the 1st of January. And of course, we can see that it's covered up until the 21st of April, 2026. All right. So let's head over to our backtest results. So we had a net profit of roughly more than 15%, right? We can see that out of an initial deposit of 3,000 US dollars, the net profit was over 500 US dollars. The gross profit was over 1,800, and the gross loss was over 1,200, right? The profit factor was just 1.41. Okay. And out of 56 trades, we had 29 short trades, 27 long trades, right? So this shows that the expert advisor, executes almost the same number of trades in both directions. All right. And this just shows that irrespective of the direction of the trend, probably because of the multi-strategy technique, trades are executed both in the direction of the trend and against the trend, most likely because we have almost the same number of trades executed in both directions, right? And we had over 65% of our short trades won, and over 59% of our long trades won. However, note that no EA guarantees profits, all right, and past performance does not guarantee future results. Okay, so these are the results from the back test. And overall, my thoughts on XAU Master EA. I'm just going to describe it as a multi-strategy gold trading system that focuses on diversification and risk control, right? Combining different approaches like trend, breakout, and mean reversion, which allows it to operate across a range of market conditions. Now, at the same time, that complexity means performance can vary depending on market behavior, risk settings or lot size, and how the EA is configured. And of course, traders can always optimize and test different settings based on their own preferences. As always, these results are based on historical backtesting, and real market performance can vary. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.